You have a beautiful smile. Oh, I haven't seen a penis yet. Oh! Hey Bayhanas, so you know how we're all about knowledge is power on here? Well, my team thought that it would be super fun to go on different platforms and share the message of Bayhana. So, we're going on Omegle. Enjoy! Ah! Wait, no! That's not the right website! How do I even do this thing? What happens on Omegle? It's my first time here. I don't know what to do.
So you're gonna see a lot of dicks. I will just let you know.
Hola! Hola!
Hola! Guapa? Is Guapa beautiful?
Sí!
Yes!
Yes!
My name is Arabo Ontalamano.
Nice. Hi, I'm Isa.
We are just finding new friends here.
So do you know what a woman's labia is?
Labia.
Labia.
Libya?
Yeah. So this is the labia of the woman.
Okay.
Right? You know? Have you seen a labia before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you know that the labias of a woman look different? Every woman has a different looking labia.
Yeah, we know that.
Good. Do you guys watch porn?
Yeah, we do
Not
sometimes.
you, but sometimes. But it looks different in porn and in real life, right?
Yeah, maybe. We are not that experts in Libya.
Okay.
Hi!
Hi.
Are you a streamer? You look like a streamer.
Why do I look like a streamer?
You have a good background. That's why.
Oh, this one? You know
It
what
looks
that
very
is?
nice.
Do you know what that is?
No.
That's my logo.
Oh, that's actually cool.
What do you
Like
guys
a W
see?
that look like... I see like two hands, but they also look like a W.
I hope you guys know how important consent is. Do you know what that is?
Yes. Yes.
Do they teach you that in
It's
school?
you're like it's yeah.
Don't ever do anything unless your partner says yes, whether it's a girl or a guy. Hi! Hello! Are you from the Philippines? You have a beautiful smile. My boobs are very milky. Well, that's what boobs are for. They are meant to lactate women. I mean children. And so did you know that a woman's boobs and a male's boobs are very different? Show? No, you don't have consent. Do you know what consent is? Nah, I don't think so. Nah. Well, I'm on here because I'm actually shooting a video for a
Really?
vlog. Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
Do I get to be in it?
Yeah, you get to be in it. It's basically about women empowerment and education and inspiration.
Wow, I love that.
Yeah, so I do a lot of things with my vagina, with my body. I've lifted things with my vag.
My mom has makes jokes about that, and I'm like, I would really do it.
You should do it. It is so much fun. You guys should
Wow.
Hey! Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit of a fun fact about women, and I think this is gonna be very useful for you guys. Did you know that women do not climax through vaginal penetration alone?
I never knew that, man.
Dude, the trick is the clit. You need to find the clit and hit that while you're penetrating a lady, and they will love that. That's how you get them to orgasm.
Do you have a diagram?
I don't have a diagram, but I have something that kind of looks like a badge. So, you know how it looks like that, and then that's where you insert it? It's somewhere over here.
I'm virgin. Take notes.
Take notes! It's okay if you're a virgin. One day when you're ready and you'll have sex, at least you know where it is, and you'll know what to do.
You ruined my life.
I just helped you. So every time you have sex from now on and you get a girl to come, be like, thank you, Isa.
I have a repetition.
Of what? Of not knowing where the clit is. Did you get your period already?
No.
Not yet.
My friend.
Your friend has? Do you know in the Philippines, when we get our periods, we're supposed to get our underwear and wipe it all over our face.
Ew.
It's gross, right? They say if you do it, you won't get pimples. But I still get pimples. So it's just it's just a thing that
I just think they did it for the laugh.
Oh, I haven't seen a penis yet. Oh! Okay! Hi! Why am I seeing this? Oh, I see that you've shaved. Well, good for you. You are my first penis for the afternoon. Did you know that showing your penis in public is a form of exhibitionism? And that's kind of like a sexual paraphernalia. You might want to check up on that. Okay,
So you
well,
like it?
I'll see you. I can't hear you. I'm so distracted by your penis. Bye.
You like it?
No. Hi. You look like my husband. you look like my husband. This is so funny. Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh, why is it red? Sorry. Wanna see my dick? No, no, thank you. But you know what? I appreciate you asking me. I don't want to see your dick, but thanks for asking me if I want to see it before showing it to me. That is very stand up of you, and I hope that you find someone on here that wants to show you or wants you to show them your dick.
Are you a streamer? She's a streamer.
How do you know that?
Cause you look like.
Cause I watch you all the time, bro. I'm your biggest fan.
He
No,
really
you're
is. He watches you.
not.
Yes, he does. He watches you 24/7.
I promise. I'm your biggest fan.
Are you guys waiting for like a streamer to come on and you're like, oh hi?
Yeah.
My ex-girlfriend, she went on Omegle, and I said don't. And guess what? The guy asked for some pictures of feet. I was like,
Oh, but you know that people actually make good money from selling photos of their feet. I would do it.
that's actually good to know. We're gonna make some money.
This is how
We're gonna make some money.
Shut up.
I have a YouTube channel. It's Bayhana, and that's a Filipino word for woman. Don't go on this app unless your brother is here. You need an adult around you, because there's a lot of crazy things on this app.
Y'all need an adult like me.
Yeah. Hopefully you're an adult.
Alright, bye.
That's super cool. You want to lick my pussy. So there you have it, Bayhanas. I just went on Omegle, talked to a bunch of strangers, and shared with them a bunch of fun facts about being a woman. And I hope that you learned, and I hope that they learned, and I hope you guys had an amazing time. If you're not a part of the Bayhana Community Group yet, what are you waiting for? Get your butt over there, and let's have discussions, because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. And if you like this video, make sure to like ByTV and Bayhana on YouTube. And you can follow me on all my socials, Issaplease. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, knowledge is power, and don't go on Omegle unless you are of age, and if you're not of age, at least have an adult there, and be safe, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.